Hi, welcome to another night of homework. Tonight we'll be doing page 82. We'll be working on division. So remember that whenever you divide, that you group, multiply, subtract, and then bring down. So let's go ahead and look at number 1. A meteoroid, so the question says to estimate how long it will take the meteoroid to reach the moon. So a meteoroid travels 18 miles per second. It's 2,863 miles per away. So we have to figure out how long it will take. So if you look at all of our answer choices, looks like the answer should be in the hundreds. So we'll round off to the nearest 100. So 18 doesn't have a hundreds place, so we'll just round that off to the nearest 10. So we'll circle the ones place. The number behind it is 5 or more, so that means our 1 would become a 2. That'll become 20. For 2,863, we'll circle the hundreds place. Underline the number behind it. The 6 is 5 or more, so my 8 becomes a 9, so that becomes 2,900. And then we will divide. We're doing, our divisor is 20, so we're doing groups of 20. 20, if I have only 2, I can't make any groups of 20. So it's 0 groups. 0 times 20 is 0. Subtract. 2 minus 0 is 2. Bring down the 9. Now I have 29. So I have to figure out how many groups of 20 I can make. I can make one group, because 2 groups is 40. So I can make one group of 20 to give me 29. So now I'll multiply. 1 times 20 gives me 20. And then I will subtract. 29 minus 20. That gives me 9. After I subtract, I bring down. So I can make 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 20 if I have 90. So 4 times 20, it gives me 80. Subtract. Bring down the 0. That gives me 100. I can make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. So I can make approximately 145 groups. So if we look at our answer choices, it looks like 150 is the one that's closest to what we got. Let's take a look at number 20. Multi-step problem. And okay, the question is telling us to use estimation to decide which color basket has more apples and about how many apples are in each basket of that color. So I have a green basket of apples and a red basket of apples. So first we're going to estimate all of those values. So for the, if you look at my answer choices, all of my answer choices are rounded to the nearest tens place. So that means I'll round to the nearest tens place. So circle the 1, underline the 2. That means my 1 will stay the same, that's 10. Circle the 8, underline the 6, 5 or more, my 8 becomes a 9. Circle the 3, underline the 3, 4 or less, well, my 3 stays the same. Circle the 3, underline the 1. The 1 is 4 or less, so it's my 3 stays the same. So now we'll divide. Here's a division for my green apples. I'm counting by doing, my divisor is 10, so I'm doing groups of 10. If I have 4, I can't make any groups of 10. 0 times 10 is 0. Subtract, and then bring down. If I have 49, I can make 5 groups of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Multiply 4 times, I'm sorry. If I have 90, if I have 49, I can make 4 groups of 10, sorry. So 4 times 10 is 40. Subtract. Bring down. If I have 90, I can make 9 groups of 10. Multiply. Subtract. And there's nothing else to bring down. So that's about 49 green apples. Now for my red apples. 30 divided into 630. I'm doing groups of 30. If I have 6, I can't make any groups. Multiply. Subtract. Bring down. If I have 63, I can make 2 groups. 2 groups. It's going to be 60, subtract, bring down. If I have 30, I can make 1 group. So I have 21 red apples approximately and 49 green apples. So it says which one is more? Well, I have more green apples, and which one is it closest to? So I have more green apples, okay? So I can cross out C and A, and my green apples was closest to 50 because I got 49. Please complete the rest of the problems. Thank you.